Hi good guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your good guy Maverick Manguera. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting project of SMDC, South 2 Residences. So if you are looking for a new place to call home or just curious about the community, stay tuned because we've got a lot to cover. First, let's talk about the location. SMDC South 2 Residences is conveniently situated at the bustling district of Las Piñas City. So malalapit lang tayo sa mga business hubs, shopping centers, and transportation routes. Whether you are commuting or driving, getting around here is a breeze. One of the best things about living here is the proximity to lifestyle hubs. We're talking about SM South Mall. SMDC South 2 Residences is literally your home beside the mall, where you can shop till you drop and various dining spots to satisfy your cravings. And don't forget the nearby schools such as San Beda College of Alabang, University of Perpetual Help College, and FEU Alabang. Malapit na lang din tayo sa mga healthcare facilities such as Las Piñas Medical Center, Asian Hospital, and Alabang Medical Center are all within reach.
Now, let's take a look inside. SMDC South 2 Residences boasts a modern and stylish design, with a grand entrance that sets the tone for the rest of the development. The lobby is welcoming and chic, perfect for those first impressions. The amenities are where SMDC South 2 Residences really shines. There's a stunning swimming pool, perfect for relaxing after a long day. It will be great to see residents making the most of these spaces. The amenities are clearly a highlight of living here.
So if you are considering SMDC South 2 Residences as your new home, definitely it's worth trying out. So that's it for today's video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, please hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe for more updates. And if you have questions, please comment down below. And once again, this is your good guy Maverick Manguera. See you on my next vlog. Na? Please like ulit. So if you are looking okay na yun. Doon ako sa if you are looking, no?